Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest in cutting-edge technology. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated camera releases of the year, the Zeiss ZX2. If you're passionate about photography, videography, or content creation, this is the camera that could redefine your workflow. With a 50-megapixel full-frame sensor, 8K video recording, AI-powered autofocus, and next-gen connectivity, the Zeiss ZX2 is built for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, shooting cinematic video, or engaging in high-speed action photography, this camera delivers exceptional results. Let's break down everything you need to know about the Zeiss ZX2, its key features, advancements over its predecessor, and how it stacks up against the competition. Stay tuned until the end because we'll also discuss pricing, availability, and whether this camera is the right fit for you. Let's get started. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the Zeiss ZX2 is a groundbreaking 50-megapixel full-frame backside illuminated BSI CMOS sensor. This sensor represents a major leap in image quality, delivering incredible sharpness, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Backside illuminated sensor for maximum light capture. The BSI technology allows for greater light sensitivity, which is crucial for photographers shooting in low-light conditions or at high ISOs. Whether you're capturing the northern lights, a city skyline at night, or indoor event photography, expect clean, noise-free images with deep shadows and rich highlights. Ultra-high resolution for professional-grade photography. With 50 megapixels, the ZX2 is perfect for photographers who need exceptional detail for large-format prints, advertising campaigns, and high-resolution cropping. If you're into fashion photography, commercial shoots, or architectural imaging, this level of resolution is a game-changer. Lens and optical performance. Zeiss has built its reputation on premium optics, and the ZX2 is no exception. The camera features a Zeiss Distagon 35mm f/1.8 lens, designed to provide edge-to-edge sharpness with minimal distortion. Improved low-light performance with f/1.8 aperture. The wide f/1.8 aperture allows for better performance in dim environments and delivers that beautiful, creamy bokeh effect. Whether you're shooting portraits, street photography, or low-light video, this lens ensures vibrant colors and razor-sharp details. Zeiss T coating for superior contrast and color accuracy asterisk. The advanced Zeiss T anti-reflective coating asterisk minimizes lens flares and ghosting, ensuring that your images have accurate colors and deep contrast levels. Video capabilities. The Zeiss ZX2 isn't just a powerhouse for still photography. It's also an elite video camera. With 8K video recording at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, this camera is built for cinematic storytelling. 8K at 30 FPS, future-proof video quality. Capturing video in 8K resolution means you get 4 times the detail of 4K footage. This is ideal for professional filmmakers looking for ultra-high resolution video, content creators who want flexibility in cropping and reframing shots in post-production, vloggers and YouTubers aiming to future-proof their content. 4K at 120 FPS, ultra-smooth slow motion. For slow motion cinematography, the 120 FPS recording at 4K is perfect for sports, wildlife, and action filmmaking. Whether you're shooting skateboarding tricks, wildlife documentaries, or cinematic B-roll, this feature provides silky smooth footage. Autofocus system. Autofocus technology has seen a significant upgrade in the Zeiss ZX2. The new AI-powered hybrid autofocus system combines phase detection and contrast detection for incredibly precise focusing. AI-powered subject tracking. The advanced AI can now detect and track subjects with exceptional accuracy, including human faces and eyes, perfect for portrait and event photography. Animals and pets, ideal for wildlife photographers. Fast-moving objects, great for sports and action shots. This real-time tracking system ensures that even fast-moving subjects stay sharp in every frame. Storage and connectivity. Storage and connectivity have been completely overhauled in the Zeiss ZX2, making it one of the most versatile and efficient cameras for modern photographers and videographers. 1 terabyte internal SSD for high-speed storage. Unlike most cameras that rely on SD cards, the Zeiss ZX2 features an internal 1 terabyte SSD offering faster write speeds for high-resolution RAW files and 8K video. Instant access to large files without needing external storage. reliable performance without slowdowns, Wi-Fi 6E and 5G connectivity. The ZX2 is future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6E and 5G compatibility, allowing for instant cloud backups, live streaming directly from the camera, faster file transfers to mobile devices or computers. Design and durability. The Zeiss ZX2 features a magnesium alloy body, providing a balance of durability and lightweight portability. IP52 weather sealing. The camera is built to withstand dust and light rain, making it perfect for outdoor and adventure photographers. Ergonomic redesign. The improved rubberized grip and intuitive button layout ensure comfortable handling for long shooting sessions. Battery life and charging. The Zeiss ZX2 features a 4,500 mAh battery, offering up to 800 shots per charge. USB-C power delivery fast charging for minimal downtime. Improved energy efficiency for extended shooting sessions. Price and availability. The Zeiss ZX2 is expected to launch at a price of $5,000 to $6,000, reflecting its premium build and cutting-edge features. Who should buy this camera? Professional photographers needing high-resolution detail. Filmmakers and content creators requiring 8K and 4K video capabilities. Adventure and wildlife photographers needing robust build quality and AI-powered autofocus. Conclusion. The Zeiss ZX2 is more than just an upgrade. It's a revolution in digital imaging. With unparalleled image quality, groundbreaking video features, AI-enhanced autofocus, and next-gen connectivity, this camera is built for the future of photography and filmmaking. What do you think about the Zeiss ZX2? Would you invest in this high-end camera? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.